Oh my God. Hey y'all, it's Naomi Monae, and I'm coming to you guys with some 613 hair that I received from Sam's Beauty. This is the company's name. I think it's like Uniq or Uniq. If you guys wonder who that person is in the beginning of my video, that is my mom. I told her I wanted her to slay this blonde hair, and she definitely did that. I got the bundles 18, 20, 22, and then I think a 16-inch closure. I'll put all that down below if I got the inches wrong. I used this for the purple shampoo. I did not use Shimmer Lights because I did not want to spend $14. I did go to Walgreens, so it probably would have been cheaper at a beauty supply store, but everything is closed around me. I'm going to show you guys. You guys don't even need to get the purple Shimmer Lights. Like, look how this look without the purple Shimmer Lights. It looks so good, y'all. So good. I hope I'm not screaming at y'all. So I got 2 boxes of this color right here. This is the color. I'm not sure what it says. But these are 2 colors that I'll put it all down below. And only got 1 box of the Revlon Dark Natural Blonde. So yeah. I got 1 box of the dark brown or the medium brown from Revlon. This is how the hair looks after I got done washing it. Nice and white. Nice good palette to work with. So first I'm starting off with this blonde, the Garnier one. So y'all, I did not want to buy just one color of one type of blonde because I really wanted this hair to have some type of highlights. Unfortunately, since I didn't have any beauty supply stores open around me, I had to get the box dye. I would have used toner, but after using this, I say it's just as good. If you can't find the colors at the Walgreens near you or Walmart near you, I would just say find a blonde box dye that is for blonde hair. Do not use one for black hair because 9 times out of 10 the developer will probably be like maybe a 40 or a 30 developer. You don't need developer that high for 613 hair. So yeah, I'm not going in any type of order when I'm putting in this. I'm just slapping this stuff right on, y'all. I purposely did this, 1 because I didn't know what I was doing, and 2 because I didn't want the hair to be one shade of blonde. I really wanted like different variations of highlights. So with the 2 box dyes, like I said before, I did not do it in any particular order. I just got 1 bottle, picked up the other bottle. Make sure when you are putting this color in, you splitting the hair open to put some of that color in between those pieces that don't have any color, because you don't want to have any pieces that are super, super blonde with a ashy blonde next to it. Alright, guys, now we're down to the roots. Make sure you're putting a little bit of dye on the toothbrush. Before you even start this stuff, though, I'm sorry I didn't put this in the video, make sure you spray your lace with the Got to Be Free spray all over the lace. And once the glue dries, or the gel, whatever, dries on the lace, then you can start this step. But you really want to spray the lace, that way this dark brown does not stain your knots and does not stain your lace, because that will take forever to get out the lace. Now, while doing this, I was not separating this hair perfectly straight across because I didn't want a hard brown demarcation. So I'm really just sporadically adding the brown all over the roots. Make sure when you're putting this brown on the hair, make sure you're putting the hair like you're doing some strands a little bit longer than the other and some shorter, y'all. I'm so bad at explaining stuff like this, and I'm the one that did this stuff. I don't even get it. But make sure it's not too harsh of a line because you don't want it to be like a hard, dark brown to blonde. So this is the hair after I let it air dry for about 20-25 minutes with the fan. This is about 50% dry, y'all. It's pretty scared at this point. Like, what did I do? But once I let it dry, like completely dry, it came out to this nice sandy blonde, sandy brown with beautiful light blonde highlights. At this point, y'all, I'm pretty happy. I used a Chi like iron guard, and then I use the oil, some spray mist oil that I'll put down below. I love it, y'all. It'll get your hair silky straight with that oil, y'all. Especially with, you know, hair that you just bleached or dyed. It's gonna make it silky. This flat iron I got from Amazon. I'll put that down below too. It's a, what is that called? Titanium plates, I think. Yeah. And it gets the hair super silky. Let me zoom in for y'all so y'all can see. Period. Okay. This is the wig made, y'all. Done and made. Finished product, y'all. Look at those highlights. So, y'all, I did forget to mention that I did leave the dye on the bundles for about 20 minutes, and then I left the root dye on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So, not long to get this look, y'all. And I had my mom try it on because I knew she was going to slay it so good, and this blonde looks so good against her complexion. I will put a clip of me in towards the end about how it looked on like a darker skin tone, but y'all, she slayed this. She gonna be extra throughout this video, but who cares, because I know she looked good and she knows she looked good, and that's period. So that's pretty much the final product, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna have one clip with me trying it on so you guys can see the different skin tone, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.